Yeah, I know I couldn't live my life like that forever. One sunshine, one sunshine. Omar said that. Thank you so much, my love. So I know I couldn't live my life like that forever. And I used to cry because as a server, I worked near the University of Maryland, and I used to see the kids them coming from their graduation, and they say your environment have a lot to do with you. I used to see them graduate from their graduation, and their family is there with them, and I used to always cry because I was like, oh my God, they're able to graduate college. And I said, I didn't get to graduate college when I was in Jamaica. So yeah, I was very emotional. And then I didn't have no family here, guys. So I was just here with my kids. And then so for the stuff thank you, my love. So for the holiday seasons, everybody would go away and they don't want to work. So they would call out or they would apply, and they don't mind getting paid, not getting paid. So they'll go and visit their family during the holiday season. Thank you. Hi, Princess. So they'll go visit their family in the holiday season, and I didn't have any family to visit in the holiday season. So that was another thing for me that made me very, very emotional, because I used to see people come in and they used to come in with their family during the holiday season because they're traveling, and they used to eat, and I used to serve their table. But when I go home, I would cry my eyes out, guys, because I was the only one here. And I didn't know how much longer I was gonna be able to do that. So I was like craving family. And that's why I brought so many of my family here. Because I had this lacking of having family around. So I had a friend who's from Russia, and she was here alone too. So we bonded. We bonded through that because she didn't have a family and I didn't have a family. She didn't have a boyfriend, and did I have a boyfriend at the time? I didn't have a boyfriend either. Yeah, I didn't have a boyfriend. And so, but I had kids and she didn't have kids. And so we just became friends with each other. And so during those difficult times, I would hang out with her, she would hang out with me and the kids. And so life had gotten a little bit easier. But then I was like, sunshine, you are putting how much weight me I put on? So yeah, every time you attempt to me I put on weight. Omar, you blind? How much weight me I put on? So the scale I tell me that. So I don't know how much weight me I put on. So you want me to get skinny? Me don't know how much weight I probably my face look fat or probably the ear or whatever. But me don't know how much weight me I put on. So Omar, me not thinks. I mean the scale now tell me say me I put on weight. So I don't know. Probably it's water weight you're seeing. Laura said be respectful. Probably a water weight, yes, man. But I went to the doctor yesterday and I'm not putting on weight. So I might look, probably sitting down, I might look fat or something, but bit of fat in a real life. Me no fat in a real life, okay? I might look fat, but me no fat in a real life. But I can be fat though. I can get fat. Yeah. Well, the scale no move, so I probably just fat in a real life. Fat on the foot. Yeah, guys, but it was very hard. It was very hard moving here, and it was hard. And then you had to figure out life at the same time while you're navigating children. So it wasn't. Thank you so much, Lara. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, we forgot even to link up with Lara now. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Yeah. So I had to figure out life, but as I can tell you, I've met some wonderful people along the way. And then I decided to go back to school, and I was like, hey, I remember the first time I told somebody that what I wanted to study in school. But, oh, you can't do that. I was like, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Exactly what I'm gonna do. And that's what I did. And life is not easy, but it become more. I get to spend more time with the kids. Get to spend more time with the kids. I don't have to worry about holidays, sick days, and stuff like that. So, to each his own. Everybody. My other friend, she didn't went to school, but she's a bank manager.